Check out how easy it is to land new clients and prospect with Pixel Scout. I'm going to start a new search here. Let's go for dentist in Phoenix, Arizona, because that's the particular niche I would like to work in, is with dentists. Now on the right hand side, I'm going to choose what actual country I'd like to conduct this search in. We'll choose the United States. Then I'm going to choose how many pages I want to go back in Google, how many search results I want. We'll say 4 pages in Google, or otherwise I'd like to look at 40 different dental websites. And then I'm just going to push begin search. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the other previous searches I've conducted. So another previous search I was looking for are chiropractors in San Diego. They're high value clients. So on the right hand side here I can click and have a look at the actual search results for chiropractors in San Diego. Now anytime you see a green check mark, that means that website actually has the Facebook Pixel installed. Alright, but what you'll notice here is that the majority of websites, closer to 95% of them, are going to have a big red X, which means these businesses do not have the Facebook Pixel installed and they're potential perfect Facebook advertising clients. As we can see, Pixel Scout also pulls in the contact information, the phone numbers, and any other information that we would potentially need to contact these business owners. Let's just say I want to get in touch with Better Life Chiropractic. Then what I can do down here is click on Create a Report. Now this is going to take us over to our reporting center inside Pixel Scout, where I can quickly put together an email to contact this business. As we can see, Pixel Scout pulled in the name of the actual client. Down here I can go ahead and put in the client's name. Then I can choose how I want to send my outreach email, either with Gmail, Outlook, or otherwise any other email marketing service provider via SMTP. I'm going to choose Gmail. Alright, so the next step is I need to write and compose an outreach email to this potential client. Rather than spend a lot of time putting together an email, I'm going to come over here to templates. I'm going to use one of our proven to convert outreach email templates. We'll start with this one right here. With a matter of a few clicks, already my email is populated, and this is going to be a custom outreach email to this client. It's going to pull in dynamically the client's website URL. It's also going to include a report URL, so this client can get a full report on everything that is missing on their website, and particularly why and how they should be using Facebook ads to generate more leads online. Alright, so let's go ahead and click on Preview Report. Now this is the report that our potential client will receive. They'll receive our outreach email and they'll receive a link to their custom report. As you can see up here, this is a white labeled report with our actual agency name up here in the right hand corner. It's going to include our name, our email, our phone number, as well as our location. Your client can view this report in any language of their choice, and what it's basically saying here is, hey, your website does not have the Facebook Pixel installed. As we can see, this is a report specific to our client. It pulled in their website URL as well as their actual title tag of their website. And then again, what happens down here is we're educating the potential client on the importance of using Facebook retargeting ads. Alright, so when the client reads this, they're quickly going to discover how
Hey, Dino Gomez here. Are you guys looking for an automated and easy way to get high-ticket local clients? Alright, so let me show you the old way of getting local clients. Alright, it looks something like this. We would go to Google, and then we'd have to start searching the results in Google, and one by one we would go through each of these local business websites, and we'd have to check to see if they had the Facebook Pixel installed. That would tell us most likely if they're running Facebook ads. We'd have to check and see if they had the SSL security ticket installed. Right? We'd have to do this one by one. And then we would have to scour their website and spend all this time finding their contact email. And then we would take all this information, we'd have to transfer it into a spreadsheet, right? Using up all this wasted time. It's a manual process. Then we would finally have to go back to our email, and we'd have to individually email every single potential prospect and let them know that they didn't have a Facebook Pixel installed, let them know that we can run Facebook ads for them. We'd have to let them know that their SSL certificate wasn't installed. We'd have to educate them on that and then go ahead and make a pitch. It was this crazy, long, drawn-out process where it would take you 30 minutes or an hour to reach out to every single local business that you could potentially help. All right, that is the old way of doing prospecting, and that way worked very, very well, except it was super time-consuming. All right, well, let me introduce you to something revolutionary. Guys, let me introduce you to Pixel Scout. All right, Pixel Scout is the first ever client prospecting software that allows you to quickly scan in any industry in the US look at the search results in Google and in the yellow pages. Go ahead and it automates and it tells you within a matter of seconds, whether these websites actually have the Facebook Pixel installed, whether they have a SSL certificate, and then it neatly organizes your results so that you know in a matter of seconds exactly which websites in the industry that you want to work in could potentially benefit from your marketing services. And then with the matter of a couple clicks, you can generate an automated report for this business that pulls in all of their information, and you can quickly send an outreach email to these local businesses, letting them know, hey, you don't have the Facebook Pixel installed, you should really be running ads. Hey, you need to upgrade your website and make it secure to improve your Google and local SEO rankings. You can do all of this with a matter of a few clicks from Pixel Scout. It is a massive time saver, and it is changing the way that local marketers are prospecting and landing clients today. Not sure how the Facebook Pixel works or even how to run Facebook ads? No problem. Every single Pixel Scout account comes preloaded with training videos that show you how to run Facebook ads for local clients so that you can begin selling digital marketing services today. What else does Pixel Scout do? Well, Pixel Scout connects directly to either your Gmail or Outlook email service provider, so you can send emails in a matter of seconds directly from inside our software. And if you have a different provider you'd like to use, go ahead, you can connect with SMTP of any email marketing software of your choice. Not sure what to say in your outreach email to a potential client? No problem. With Pixel Scout, every single account comes preloaded with our favorite high-converting email templates. Simply choose a template, choose a client, send an email. It is that easy. The fact is, most entrepreneurs have no idea how they are going to land their next client. But with Pixel Scout, we know that we can wake up every single morning to an inbox full of pre-sold local high-ticket clients begging us to help them with their marketing. Pixel Scout, we're changing local marketing for good.